Alright, this is our project, and this is the introduction page. Includes the names of the people in the group: Jason, Joseph, Ribiana. This is the table of contents, has each section along with its page number. This is the executive overview. The primary objective of this project is to create a database for store managers and owners to store information about the customers, vendors, the customer order, the products in the order, and the department in which the products belong to. The client of this project will be owners of retail stores. The overview would explain why this database would be important for retail stores and the owners of retail stores. It'll also go and explain why each of the class and objects is important, such as why the customer information is important, why the vendor's information is important, order information, products under the orders in the department, and so on and so forth. This is our entity relationship diagram. It includes a visual of our class and objects along with their attributes under each class. And this is the legend of what the relationships are. For example, vendors is many to many to the departments, and the departments is one to many or more, one to many or one products, and so on and so forth. Our relationship schemas, the next page, which includes all of our attributes under each object/class, and if all of its primary keys, and if there's a foreign key, it is also labeled as well. And this is our data dictionary, which includes attributes. In the tables, the attributes belong to, and if the attribute can be null, if it's unique, if it's a foreign key, if it's a primary key, and if it's also a reference to another table. Domain is just what kind of data it is, which includes string, integer, and we also have how the length of the integer and string can also be character as well. This is our crude matrix, which shows us the relationship between the forms and the table, and this is our key for that. And the table descriptions just explains what each table is. Customers, if for example customers, it explains how it provides a list of customers who made the orders at the retail store and includes their personal and contact information. And it's the same for vendors, products, orders, and department. Just a brief description of what each table is. The next page is our database tables. You can see each attribute is there for each class, such as this customer class as customer ID, first name, last name, email address, contact number, just as we wanted. As we can see right here, is customer ID, first name, last name, email address, and contact number, just like we wanted. And we also have vendors as well. Each attribute is there. The department's information is there as well. Vendor orders and the products. And here are the design tables. Customer ID will be an auto number, so it'll automatically count up each time. And first name is a short text, which is a string. And we can see primary key. There's customer ID, which is our primary key, which we also labeled up here, primary key customer ID. We do the same thing for vendors, orders, products, and departments. We can show you that right here. See for vendor design, vendor ID is primary key, and the data type is also shown for each attribute. Same as department and orders and products. Let's go back That's as we see it. Vendors, primary key is vendor ID, foreign key is department ID. Same as orders, products, and departments. Sorry if I'm being repetitive. And next is our query. Includes the information for orders, the customer ID, see it counts up each time. Has the last name of the customer, first name of the customer, the order ID, the order date, and the payment / the price of the order. And this is the relationship for it in visually. As we can see, customer ID and order ID are both primary keys. That's why it has that symbol right there for the class. And here's a department query. Same thing, information for each attribute is shown here. Department number, which is our primary key. Here's the product name, the price, and the company name for each company name of the product. Here's another visual for this department query. As we can see, primary key, product ID, primary key for departments, department ID, primary key for vendors, vendor ID. We can see also the relationship between the primary key and the foreign key as shown in this relationship diagram. And that's our project, and this is our references.